RotaCloud's template tool can be used to capture a snapshot of your rotas, ready to use whenever you like. To create a template, start by going to your Rotas page and then the copy menu here. From the list, select Templates and choose Create New Template. Enter a name for your template so you'll know which shifts you're applying in the future, and then enter the start and end date of the shift range you'd like to copy. This can be anything up to 12 weeks. Next, scroll down and choose the employees you'd like to include in the template. You can choose to select all or tick the specific employees you'd like. Finally, choose if you'd like to include days off in the template. These are the grey, non-working days you may have entered on your rota. Once you've made your selections, just click Create Template and it will be saved, ready for you to use. When you're ready to apply a template, follow the same steps of going to your Rotas page, Copy menu and Templates tool. Here, you will see a list of all your existing templates. Click Apply beside the one you'd like to use. You'll see a brief summary of the stored dates and how many employees are included. Below this, select the date range you'd like to apply your template to. Your last step is choosing if you'd like to immediately publish the shifts to share them with your staff, and if you'd like to clear your rotas for the employees in the template before pasting. If you don't choose to clear the rota, any shifts that clash will not paste. When you're ready, just click Apply Template and your new shifts will be added.